how are you? How is everything?
Well, everything is going better. Anyway, so I think it's deep night, right?
Oh yeah, it's 1:30 a.m.
1:30 a.m. So I think I should not hold you any more time right now. That because you have been really so much relent to me already, and now you have to go to sleep. I think.
My plan is to go to sleep by 2 a.m. at least, because I do need to get some hours. But yeah, because I have a big trip. I actually have a 6-hour trip that I have to do tomorrow.
Where are you gonna go?
6 hours.
Where are you gonna go?
I'm going. Hold on. Let me tell you. Hold on, because I'm really not even familiar with the area. Near Fort Myers.
Fort Myers. What?
It's very far from where I live.
Okay, but for what? Why do you want to go there?
I am picking up a family member from a rehabilitation center. Their time there is done.
Yeah, got you. So be carefully. You will go over there as it's really so far away from your house. But did you ever had any experience going to the other place?
I've never been there, but I used to travel a lot. I've traveled all over the United States because my dad has a asphalt. He does asphalt and concrete. He has a business, and he used to travel a lot because the states in the northern area pay really well, and then the states in the southern area don't pay as well. So he likes to go up there with materials from down here because they are very cheap, and then he maximizes his profit.
Yeah.
But he stopped doing that because he's just older and tired. So traveling is a lot of work.
Oh, so do you live with your parents yet?
No, I live by myself.
All right, okay. But I'm quite worried to say something to you. Did you ever been to any other country out of America?
No.
But do you wish to go there? Go anywhere?
Absolutely. I want to travel the world.
Oh, really? Oh, wonderful. You know what? I have had a conversation with an American by this platform who traveled more than 80 countries across the globe. But I was really so astonished. What did you say? So I just asked about a plan. So could you help me? How can I travel across the globe? Though I have a Facebook page, I will get paid from my two platforms, and I will spend it. And how can I get this kind of a step as well? And if you have any other alternatives way to get free travel. She said, okay, 100%. Emmanuel, she traveled to the Palestine and Israel and Thailand and Asian, so many countries. But she given a good information to make the free travel. Anyway, as you said, you want to travel across the globe, but I'm pretty interested to travel across the globe. But I need a trusted person.
Travel content is one of the highest paid content niches.
All right. You know what?
You already have a following.
Which country do you want to go on your first trip?
Oh my God. That is a good question. That is a good question. That's a good question. I have no idea. That's an overwhelming question, is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
It's an overwhelming question.
Overwhelming,
where? I have so many places in mind. And the places I want to go are so diverse. I want to visit places like Egypt, Switzerland, Dubai. I want to visit places like Greece, Italy. I even want to visit Eastern Europe, like the trashy places in Eastern Europe.
Yeah, all right. But Winona, listen. When you will start embarking on this journey?
Well, really, what I wanted to do was I wanted to start building a social media platform, a presence. So I started all my platforms, that I have right now.
Yeah.
And basically, I'm just trying to get money from these platforms, and the money that I use from these platforms and the audience I intend to use to help me to grow, to make money, to travel.
100%.
Or, to do whatever.
I understand.
This changes things a little bit. This work packers
Yeah.
changes things a lot.
All right. But I want to travel across the globe with you if you are agree.
Sure, we just have to agree on a time, and we just have to agree.
100%.
Lots of planning. I'm a very extensive planner, but it kind of seems like you are too.
Yeah, all right.